In this video, we're going to have a look at the enhancements to the flange command in the sheet metal environment. So on the left, you can see Inventor 2020, and on the right, you can see Inventor 2021. The interface looks practically the same. So what I'm going to do is show you what's changed and show you the fantastic new feature that lets us add geometry by reference. So up on the screen here, we can see the flange command in 2020 on the left and 2021 on the right. So let's have a look at what's changed. Well, if we look at the dialog box, it's been shuffled around slightly so that we can have more functionality. First off, you'll notice that the height datum is now moved down to the bottom left, and it's been tidied up to look like that. Next up, our bend position moves upwards in the dialog. Our bend radius moves down. This allows us to have our new options for flange by angle or by reference. So let's have a look at the new dialog in action inside of Inventor 2021. So first off, we now have the option to choose by value, which is our normal interface that we're very used to inside of Inventor 2020 and other releases. But in 2021, we now have the option to choose by reference. So if we choose this edge over here, and we choose a reference, in this instance, we're going to choose this angled face, you'll see that we're presented with two options. We can choose two different directions, and it's a really nice way to interact with our model that we didn't have before. So that's one way of building a flange. Another thing we can do is we can include planes, and this means that we have even more options available. So if we choose our reference over here, what you'll now see is that Inventor is going to build my flange to come down in line with this plane. So we'll apply that setting, and we can flip these over as well. So if we edit this feature and we look at the additional option, it'll build it that way. And again, everything's staying in line with our reference plane. So we have a small change to our user interface, but some powerful new tools added to Inventor's 2021 sheet metal environment.